Welcome back, beauties, and thank you for tuning in to Believe in Beauty One. Be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and topics. Today we're going to review the Devon hair topper, and I'm going to share the highlights, benefits, and who I think would really find this unit useful. So let's get into it. My name is Tina, and I created the 60-second clip and go hair topper, and you can find the full collection on my website at stylesontopbeauty.com. So let's get into Devon. Devon is a star in her own right. She not only represents class and style, but also versatility. I use that word a lot with the toppers because that was one of the primary reasons for creating the 60-second clip and go hair topper. Devon not only provides fuller coverage, but the curls are gorgeous. And best of all, it's a low maintenance style. One of the many benefits of this unit is that it can be worn with the part in 3 separate areas: middle, right, or left side. And you'll see me demonstrate the 3 styles in this video. I admit that my absolute favorite part of this is that most of the styling can be done with your fingers. So if you're a girl who loves wearing big hair the way that I do, you can appreciate how the hair gains more volume with styling. Another amazing thing about the units is how durable they are. All units are machine made, which reinforces how long they last and the way that they look. This unit may be shampooed, conditioned, and styled right from the comforts of your own home. They're so easy to care for, and you know I can't miss the opportunity to talk about the hair. Not only is it gorgeous, but it is soft and oh so manageable. Frequent combing is not recommended for this hair, but brushing and finger styling are sure to give you the results that will keep the heads turning no matter which room you walk into. 60-second hair units are breathable, so no sweating underneath. The base is made from carefully constructed, breathable materials. Fully removable, you'll have all of the convenience right at your fingertips. Keep your natural hair and scalp clean, healthy, and safe by removing and reinstalling the unit whenever you like. If you need coverage, Devon has more length around the sides and the back of the head. This is perfect in those times where you may be trying to let your hair grow out or in between hair color services and you need extended time. The thing I love most about all of the hair units in the 60-second collection is the element of concealment. Concealing hair loss is one thing, but spreading out the time between salon visits, hair length transitions, and more can be a source of frustration. Covering the natural hair is also beneficial as you protect it from the environmental elements such as dirt, dust, sun exposure, and more. The part that I found most surprising from the feedback I've gotten from clients is how they've seen their hair start to regrow as a result of wearing the 60-second hair toppers. Having the ability to remove the hair, clean the hair unit, all in addition to being able to keep your natural hair and your scalp clean, plays a major role in the success of wearing these units. Now let's talk about the perfect candidate for Devon. Are you the type of person who likes to keep things simple, you rely on your go-to, and cherish the minimalist lifestyle? Well, let me tell you, Devon would certainly work wonders and prove to be a great asset to your daily life. With 3 options for styling, fuller coverage around the sides of the head and the back, the benefits are endless. Your only requirement to pull this look off is a great smile and a winning attitude. And oh, by the way, styling mousse, a spray bottle with water, and a plastic bristle brush on standby makes for a winning combination. So when you're considering all of your options and you're looking for an all-in-one solution, look no further than Devon. Busy lifestyle? Check. Don't have a regular stylist? Check. Are you letting your hair regrow? Check. Need styling versatility? Check. Restoring confidence and saving time in 60 seconds with the Devon Hair Topper. Happy styling!